When working with image and video generation AI models, sooner or later you'll come across the term LoRa. But what actually are they, and why do we use so many different names like LoKr, LoHa, or LoKr? Think of an AI model as a massive, all-knowing encyclopedia. On top of it, you can overlay what we call adapters, tiny topic-specific slices of knowledge that expand the AI's base understanding. When you then reference these topics in your prompt, the AI pulls from the adapter to know exactly what to generate on the image. LoRa's don't modify the base model itself, they simply overlay an extra layer of knowledge. There are several types. LoRa, low-rank adaptation. This is the de facto standard and the most widely used. LoHa, Hadamard product. This technology is capable of describing complex shapes, colors, and textures much more finely. It's a great choice if you want to capture intricate artistic styles without breaking the model's core logic. LoKr, LoKr product. This method handles memory incredibly efficiently. It results in extremely tiny file sizes, making it the best option when you have very few training images but still want to achieve great results. While LoHa and LoKr might be technically more advanced, standard LoRa remains the clear industry standard. It is supported by most software, like Comfy UI, out of the box, without needing any extra plugins. But what do we actually use these little adapters for in practice? Their use cases can be broadly divided into two main categories. The first is the style LoRa. Its job is to load a specific visual style, artistic style, brushstroke technique, or photographic mood into the model. If you want your images to look like they were painted by a specific artist, or if you want a distinctive cinematic color palette, then a style LoRa is what you need. The second and perhaps even more popular category is the ID LoRa, also known as an identity LoRa. Here, the goal isn't the style, but consistency. If you want to see a specific character, a particular person, or even yourself in countless different poses, outfits, and environments, you use an ID LoRa to teach the AI their facial features and physical characteristics. So, the rule is simple. If the question is, how should it look, then a style LoRa is the answer. If the question is, who should be in it, then an ID LoRa is the solution. Go ahead and use them because they are what make generative AI truly personal and creative. If you liked this explanation, follow the channel for more useful AI info and tips.